the Waffle Fairy was just a bedtime story. Sticky stacks of golden therapy deliciousness!
Donkey, don't eat that.
There's a stack of freshly made waffles in the middle of the forest. Don't you find that a wee bit suspicious?
Oh, you're gonna... What are you... Bad donkey. Mustn't.
I said don't! Don't! No! Get away from it!
You did.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Look out!
Ah!
Donkey! Are you okay?
I'm fine. Ah!
Donkey!
Help! Help me! Help! Shrek! Help!
Hey, it's a new guy. Look at him, all dressed up in a Sunday vest.
He's really tiny, isn't he?
Yeah.
Fate has delivered us a comrade in arms, and for that we are thankful. Suit him up!
Let's go,
Now,
Greedy.
wait a minute! Oh! Hey!
Here you go. Welcome to the Resistance.
Resistance?
We fight for freedom. And ogres everywhere!
I didn't know we could do that.
Help! Help me! You can't eat me! I got the mange! I'm poisonous! I'm all part!
I'll take him. This orders to go.
Hey, I haven't even removed his giblets yet.
Trust me, you don't want to eat this one.
I go down smooth, but I come out fighting.
Let go.
Don't make
Your
Mama mad.
dinner is my friend.
I gotta
guys.
get the giblets out! She's back.
Fiona! Oh, I'm so happy I found you.
Maybe you missed orientation, but for future reference, personal space is very important to me.
You don't know who I am, do you?
No. Brogan, I have news from far, far away. Gather the others and meet me in the war room.
Fiona,
Gretchen, make sure everyone is prepared to move out tonight.
I need to talk to you.
What is it?
Okay, I know you don't remember me, but we're married. Hear me out. And at the birthday party with some pigs and a puppet, the villagers wanted me to sign their pitchforks. And this boy kept saying, "To the roar, to the roar." Then I punched the cakes that the pigs ate, and the next thing I knew, my donkey fell in your waffle hole. Right? Who's with me?
Whoa. I guess I must have kicked him harder than I thought.
Fiona, I need to...
Witches! All right, everyone, you know the drill.
Fiona!
Witches! Oh no! Witches! Witches!
Come on now.
Fiona, that's the third patrol today. We can't hide forever.
Trust me, Brogan. After tonight, we won't have to.
That's your wife?
That's my wife.
Said Percy.
How can something be up when it's down?
Well, I see who wears the chainmail in your family.